Good morning, beautiful people.
Yo, it's crack-a-lack.
Well, actually, it's not even morning. It's like 3 o'clock. It's Sunday, and it's 3 o'clock. But that's my intro, so I have to say good morning to my beautiful people. Say hi, Taylor. Now, what happened to your bow? Y'all, her hair was brushed so cute. With a bow. Now it's gone. Anyway, so actually this week Taylor had hair in like 6 bows and barrettes parted. But I took it out because I'm going to wash her hair later. So I just did one in the front, one in the back with a cute bow. It's probably on the floor. What did I say, Christopher?
What's up? I know my hair is looking crazy. I'm about to pin it up.
We don't care nothing about your hair. Anyway, so we are currently about to go inside Walmart. Every Sunday we do our grocery shopping for the week.
Yay. Don't wanna play no games.
But yeah, we finna go inside Walmart, go shopping, and then probably take Taylor to the park because yesterday I worked 6 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. So once I got off, I took a shower and I just like chilled. So we all was just in the house yesterday. So today we're gonna be out and about. Say hey, Big Bug. You don't need that passy. Anyway, so also you guys, we have a lot of video ideas on my phone, right? And we, I want to do more. I should have my things. Hard to hold this phone. I don't want to bore y'all with vlogs, but just for now, just for today, because the last 2 videos, Chris, were vlogs, just like this one, number 3. But I didn't want to go another week without having something posted. My goal is to post twice a week, but lately it's only been once a week. Anyway, y'all, like I was saying real quick, I don't want to keep boring y'all with vlogs, but they are family memories for me, so I do enjoy doing vlogs. But I do want to take our channel to another level, doing more challenges, and not even just what everybody else doing, because that's not what I'm interested in. But we've been pillow talking. Speaking of pillow talking, me and Chris used to do pillow talk with the Daniels on Facebook Live. So we may do that again, but just on YouTube for you guys. So like different topics, talking about relationship stuff, marriage stuff, parenting stuff. Chris, fix the sleeve. But yeah, you got anything to say? Cause I be doing all the talking.
You got it, girl. You got it.
Whatever. Y'all, she always knocking stuff out the freaking buggy. But these, it be her breakfast. What you say? We normally get these for her breakfast. I was looking for banana, but it's like Saturday mornings. Saturday morning she'll have muffins, yogurt. Hush. Gotta keep these in the house. You can't even hear me. Stop, Taylor. Come on, let's go. Pissing me out. Loudest baby in here. Stop. Don't throw nothing else. You lost your privilege of sitting, standing in the buggy. Now throw something else. We gotta keep the Pilsner. That is our husband and wife time when Taylor goes to bed, eat cookies.
Yeah.
And milk. Well, just Chris with the milk. I think it's almost time, you guys. What kind of dog get y'all kids? The one that just sit on top of the toilet or actual potty? I don't know which one I want. Yes. Huh?
Tea.
Let me see. I don't know really care for no Minnie Mouse. But I think it's almost time we start potty training Taylor, simply because she starts to tug at her pants. Like she'll start tugging at her clothes and trying to pull her pants down, or she'll try to take her diaper off, indicating she needs to use the bathroom. So I feel like it's time. We can start early. The quicker we start, the quicker she'll learn, the quicker we can stop buying diapers and move up to pull-ups. But yeah, she's starting to show signs that she's ready to be potty trained. So I feel like, why not go ahead? What's the point of waiting? So I'm about to decide which one to get. Hush. Loudest baby every time we go. That was a disaster. Taylor getting on my nerves. Chris getting on my nerves. Miss Taylor throwing everything out the buggy. Y'all only saw a little bit. She throwing everything out the buggy, so we put it in the front. But it got tall enough where she can reach and still throw stuff out. We gave her Chris' phone so she can be occupied on YouTube.
That ain't work.
That ain't work because she threw his phone at the buggy.
And I ain't having that.
Thank God it didn't break. And then, not only that, when I popped her little hand for throwing stuff out, throwing Chris' phone out the buggy, she popped me back. No, sir. I'm not having that. Now she done took the bow out again. What you gotta say for yourself, bad girl? Hey, what you gotta say for yourself? Why was you acting like that?
Let's go.
Here's a man.
Got ready to choke slam my own.
Did all that grocery shopping. Now we finna go to Wendy's and get a snack before we cook tonight. I know we ain't the only ones that do that. Y'all be grocery shopping and still go through the drive-thru. That's what we finna. I'm not driving. I'm tired.
So, Tia asks, let's go to Wendy's. I say, all right, cool. It's right next to Walmart. We're going to go to Wendy's. So, getting ready to order. I'm like, well, what we getting? She's like, we're getting nuggets. I said, okay. She's like, hold up. Hold that thought. And she goes and pulls out a clear container.
Gum used to be in here.
That
So, when I be at lunch at work or something, I got a coupon cake.
It's a container full of already cut up coupons.
We getting nuggets today.
We're getting
It's
old.
not expired.
I actually like that. We're getting old.
September 1st.
We got the first to use our good
The
coupons.
only ones in here is Wendy's and coupons. I mean,
Wendy's and
Wendy's and Popeyes and Pizza Inn is in here.
Bro, we be waiting on that piece of end
It's
one.
a booklet.
We be waiting on that piece of end one. And we only like to go to the buffet. But we want that $15.99 buffet.
Can they come up with my order? I'm on a Sprite.
I'm hungry.
And go. Chris gonna catch him? Go, Bean. Nudge. She's when she ready. Since you want to do the long slide, you go there with it. I run.
Come on, baby.
He's taking off. Oh God. Hold her, Chris.
Ready?
Come on, Taylor.
Go ahead.
Come on. I'm waiting. Oh, is she ready? Come on, Mama. Come on. Come on. You scared? You can't do that. You can't go up there. Look.
Hey, me.
Look at Daddy way up there.
Tell me. Tell me.
Now how you gonna get down?
I was just thinking about that.
Hit it. Hit it. Don't hit yourself. You ready? Let's go this way. There's some more musical things over here. Come on. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, Taylor. This girl said bye.
I will say the truth. I touched it first.
What you doing? Nothing? What you doing? What you doing? Huh? What you doing? What you doing?
Oh, there is.
Huh?
The day has come to an end. It is now bedtime. You gonna say goodnight? Say goodnight. So yeah, it's about Chris really tired. Yeah, y'all, what we last did, y'all last seen us at the park, so shortly after the park, we came home, cooked dinner, we had barbecue chicken, yellow rice, and broccoli. I cleaned the kitchen. We just some tired. We just some tired ass parents, y'all. That's really what it is.
Bean has been on 1,000.
And we just washed her hair. And she just ripped her bonnet off, but y'all don't want to see that. Y'all don't want to see that. Yeah, we some tired ass parents, point blank and period. But yeah, we just came in here to close out today's video. We're gonna try to post another video besides this one this week. Is that correct? Yes. So be on the lookout for that, and it won't be a vlog, so it'll be something. Try to make it spicy.
Come here.
So yeah. Come on, Bean, let's say goodnight. Bean, say goodnight.
Bye.
Say bye. That's fine. You want me to kiss? Say mwah.
Bye.
Say thank you for watching.
Bye.
You want me to kiss? Mwah. Thank you. And on that note, you guys, y'all have a good night. See you night.
Bye.